In the last few years, workforce boards across the country have seen an increase in the amount of people they must serve while confronting major budgeting issues and increased scrutiny from local, state, and federal agencies. Hi, I'm Kim from Complete Technology Solutions, and I welcome you to this brief, high-level overview of our workforce automation software we call Atlas. Atlas is an all-in-one software solution developed specifically for the workforce development industry and includes features such as electronic document management, service tracking, self-service document submission, scan, fax, email, and upload, program and registration queue workflow, electronic courses, complete audit functionality, reporting and statistics on traffic and workload, electronic signature, and much more. Now that you know just a few things Atlas can do, let me ask you a few basic questions. Are you able to easily comply with all of your local, state, and federal documentation standards? Are your customers getting the best customer service they can within your region? Is your staff able to file and retrieve documents and customer activity at the click of a button? Can all of your critical information be accessed remotely? If you answered no to any of these questions, then you may want to consider Atlas. Let's summarize what Atlas can do for you. For your board, Atlas gives you access to vital information in real time. Adjust operations based on Atlas feedback day to day, hour by hour.
Well, we found that with the system, again, starting from the very beginning with the self-scan, we were able to actually reduce a lot of the workflow for our staff. And over the past 2 years, being able to look at reallocating resources and time saving, we've estimated that we've saved about $150,000 in cost over that time frame.
Plus, this information can be securely shared, allowing partners and auditors access to the information you choose.
With the implementation of Atlas, it's taken all the pain out of audit preparation as well as the actual audit process. With the Atlas audit interface, they just select the records, the auditors go in, identify which of the 450 they want to review, and they're able to work their way through that large sample systematically.
For your staff, Atlas becomes the centralized system that stores, tracks, and retrieves vital information about your customer. This means less time tracking down documents and information and more time helping your customers.
Atlas has helped me in 2 different regional workforce boards in Florida. Atlas is a great system as far as it allows you, from a program and operational perspective, a great deal of flexibility. You can track your customers coming into the one-stop centers, you can identify what services they're requesting, you can have your staff looking at that system and identify those customer needs immediately. You can provide those customers with those services.
As you just saw, Atlas allows your staff to concentrate on their job function, not managing a mountain of data or wading through piles of paper. Rather, documents are submitted via equipment your region already has, data is retrieved in a web-based system that is accessible anywhere, and reports are available at the push of a button.
Our customers can submit documents to us through a fax, through attaching via email, or coming into our resource rooms and merely hitting a button on a copy machine sitting in a resource room.
So we've seen and heard what Atlas can do to help you at the board and staff level. But how does it impact your customers?
You lift it up, put your paper in it, you put it down, you put on the kiosk of where it needs to be sent, and then you press scan and it scans it, and you press save, and then when you're done it sends it to where it needs to go instead of actually sitting down in a seat waiting for somebody to come to take your paper. So instead of going there and spending 30 minutes, you're actually going here and you're spending 5 minutes and it's done.
Well, actually my experience is, it's been pretty good. It's quite simple and easy and anybody could use it. When you come there, you don't take that long to enter in your information to go about with your business. It's very fast.
Self-service technology allows more independence while still maintaining a high level of service. When your customers use the Atlas system within your one-stop, they are using a platform that was specifically developed for them. This automation is what enables you to provide additional services with less resources. Here are a few of the other things your customers can do on their own. Self-registration and wayfinding. Self-scan compliancy documentation. Conduct orientations. Register for long-term or temporary programs. Submit documentation for programs from anywhere. And much more. Remember, Atlas is not an off-the-shelf piece of software. Over the last 10 years, it was built from the ground up by workforce development professionals for workforce development professionals. Atlas can be deployed with very little change to your current workflow, quality assurance process, and IT infrastructure, saving valuable time and money. To find out all of the features and benefits Atlas can bring to your region, call to schedule a demonstration. You'll be glad you did. We look forward to hearing from you.